we're going to be tying the timber hitch. Now the timber hitch is used to attach a piece of lowering equipment or friction equipment, such as the porter wrap, to the base of a tree, or to attach a sling to a log or another anchor point. The timber hitch is tied firstly by having your rope come around the anchor point. For this example, we'll say this is the base of a tree. And then we need to create a bend right here. So there's a U on this. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start tucking this tail like so. This is a little long for this application, but we're gonna create kind of a spiral look to it here. And what we're gonna do is each time we create a spiral, we're gonna pull it tight to lengthen the spiral. And we're going to keep doing this. Ideally, if we can get 5 of these wraps, that is the goal with the sling. The sling is long enough for this application. My anchor point may not be long enough. All right, and then to finish, ideally, you will take the sling, tug it back through itself to create a half hitch. And that will lock the sling to itself, just like that. And make sure we're dressing everything, getting everything nice and snug, and this will be a nice firm anchor. And that is the timber hitch.